Kashmir, a jewel in the Himalayas. Kashmir is a land of breathtaking beauty. Nestled high in the Himalayas, it is known for its snow-capped mountains and lush green valleys. Sparkling rivers flow through the region, and serene lakes reflect the clear blue sky. This picturesque landscape has earned Kashmir the nickname Paradise on Earth, but Kashmir is much more than just a pretty place. It is a land of rich history and vibrant culture. For centuries, Kashmir has been a melting pot of different religions and traditions. This unique blend has created a rich tapestry of art, music, and storytelling. The people of Kashmir are known for their warmth and hospitality. They are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors. Whether you are exploring ancient temples or simply enjoying a cup of Kashmiri tea, you are sure to feel the magic of this enchanting land. Kashmir's beauty and cultural significance make it a truly special place. It is a land that will captivate your senses and stay with you long after you have left. Kashmir's history is long and complex. It is a story of empires and kingdoms, of conquests and rebellions. The region has seen the rise and fall of many great powers, each leaving its mark on the land and its people. One of the earliest empires to rule Kashmir was the Mauryan Empire, founded by Ashoka the Great in the 3rd century BC. Ashoka brought Buddhism to Kashmir, and the region became an important center of Buddhist learning. Over the centuries, Kashmir was ruled by a succession of Hindu and Buddhist kings. The Mughal Empire, known for its grandeur and opulence, conquered Kashmir in the 16th century. The Mughals were great patrons of the arts, and their influence can still be seen in Kashmir's architecture and gardens. In the 18th century, Kashmir came under the rule of the Sikh Empire, led by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The Sikh period was a time of relative peace and prosperity for Kashmir. Kashmir's strategic location at the crossroads of Asia has made it a coveted prize for empires throughout history. This tumultuous past has shaped the region's identity and left behind a legacy of resilience and adaptation. Kashmir's cultural heritage is as rich and varied as its history. The region is known for its exquisite handicrafts, its melodious music, and its captivating storytelling tradition. One of the most famous Kashmiri crafts is the production of Pashmina shawls. These luxurious shawls are made from the wool of the Changtangi goat, a breed native to the high altitudes of the Himalayas. Pashmina wool is incredibly soft and warm, and Pashmina shawls are prized possessions all over the world. Kashmiri carpets are also highly sought after for their intricate designs and vibrant colors. These carpets are hand-knotted by skilled artisans using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Kashmiri cuisine is another highlight of the region's culture. Aromatic spices like cardamom, cinnamon and cloves feature prominently in Kashmiri dishes, giving them a unique and flavorful taste. Wazwan, a multi-course Kashmiri feast, is a culinary experience not to be missed. Whether it's the intricate artistry of its crafts, the soul-stirring melodies of its music, or the warmth of its hospitality, Kashmiri culture offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Section 4. Tales from the Valley, Anecdotes of Kashmiri Life. To truly understand Kashmir, one must listen to the stories of its people. The Kashmiris are natural storytellers, and their tales are full of wit, wisdom, and a deep connection to their land. There is a famous Kashmiri folktale about a clever parrot who outsmarts a cunning merchant. The parrot, known for its ability to speak, is tricked by the merchant into being captured. However, the parrot uses its wit and charm to escape and teach the greedy merchant a valuable lesson. Another popular anecdote tells of a young Kashmiri boy who befriends a lost lamb. The boy takes care of the lamb and nurses it back to health. The bond between the boy and the lamb becomes so strong that it transcends the boundaries of language and species, highlighting the inherent compassion of the Kashmiri people. These stories, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the Kashmiri way of life, their values, and their unique perspective on the world around them. They are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Kashmiri people and their ability to find joy and resilience even in the face of adversity. Section 5. Kashmir today, a blend of the old and new. Today, Kashmir is a land in transition. The ancient traditions and the modern world coexist, creating a unique cultural landscape. While the echoes of its rich past are still present in its monuments, crafts, and stories, Kashmir is also embracing the opportunities of the 21st century. Tourism plays a vital role in Kashmir's economy, with visitors from around the globe drawn to its scenic beauty and cultural heritage. The government is making efforts to promote sustainable tourism, preserving the environment while providing economic opportunities for local communities. Education is another area of focus, with initiatives aimed at improving literacy rates and providing quality education to all children. The younger generation is eager to embrace the opportunities of the globalized world while also preserving their unique cultural identity. Kashmir today is a testament to the resilience of its people. Despite facing challenges, they continue to celebrate their heritage, embrace progress, and strive for a brighter future. The spirit of Kashmir, much like its stunning landscapes, continues to inspire and captivate the world. Section 6. Conclusion: the enduring spirit of Kashmir. Kashmir's journey through time has been one of immense change and resilience. From ancient empires to modern times, the region has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, leaving an indelible mark on its people and its culture. Through it all, the spirit of Kashmir has endured, reflected in the warmth of its people, the intricate beauty of its art, and the timeless allure of its natural beauty. Kashmir's story is a testament to the power of human resilience, the enduring legacy of cultural heritage, and the captivating beauty of a land that continues to enchant the world.